In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly AI for academic writing, specifically how to rewrite a paragraph using the Inline AI bar, so your text sounds more polished, more formal, and more suitable for essays, research papers, and other academic work. This is a super useful workflow if you want to improve clarity, tighten up your wording, and save time while still keeping control over the final result. If this video helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. To begin, open your document in Grammarly and find the text block or paragraph that you want to improve. This could be a rough draft, a discussion paragraph, an introduction, or any section that needs a more academic tone. The key here is to start with a piece of writing that you want Grammarly AI to refine, because the tool works best when you give it a specific section to focus on. Next, highlight the exact paragraph or text block you want to polish. Be as precise as possible, because selecting the right section helps Grammarly understand the context and gives you a better rewrite. Once your text is highlighted, you'll see a floating blue menu bar appear directly on the left side of the selection. This is the Inline AI bar, and it's what we're going to use for the rewrite. Go ahead and click that floating blue menu bar. This opens Grammarly's AI options for the selected text. From here, look for the prompt area labeled Enter your own prompt. Click inside that text field so you can tell Grammarly exactly what kind of rewrite you want. Now type. Make it academic into the prompt field. This is the simple command that tells Grammarly to adjust the tone, structure, and phrasing so the writing feels more appropriate for academic use. After typing the prompt, press enter or click the submit arrow to let Grammarly process your request. In just a moment, Grammarly will generate a preview of the rewritten text. Take your time and review the changes carefully. Check whether the new version sounds clearer, whether the meaning stayed the same, and whether the tone now feels more formal and scholarly. This preview step is important because it lets you compare the original with the AI-generated version before anything is permanently changed. If you like the result, click Accept. This instantly swaps the rewritten version into your document, replacing the original text with the new academic-style version. If the preview isn't quite what you want, you can refine the prompt, try a different section, or make small manual edits after accepting it. That flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of using Grammarly AI for academic writing. A great tip is to use this process on smaller sections first, especially if you're working on a long assignment. That way, you can keep your argument consistent while still improving sentence structure and tone. You can also use the Inline AI bar to rewrite multiple parts of your paper one section at a time, which often gives you better control than rewriting everything at once. Another helpful approach is to use Grammarly AI as a support tool, not a replacement for your own thinking. It can help improve grammar, flow, and formality, but you should always make sure the content still reflects your own ideas and matches your assignment requirements. That's the best way to get the benefits of AI while keeping your academic writing authentic. And that's it. Now you know how to use Grammarly AI for academic writing with the Inline AI bar. You've learned how to highlight your text, open the floating menu, enter a custom prompt, generate an academic rewrite, and accept the improved version into your document. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.